Hello YouTubers, welcome to Logan and the Boys channel. Today we got two brand new cars. First we got Kevin Racing Tire and Road Trip Lightning McQueen. So two of cars are die-cast and reach for Mattel, and each one of them has a very cool and a suspension. So we got two cars about it. Let's look at it. So we got Kevin Racing Tire. Yep, he's a 35. He looks like a Shafari. Yep, he's pink, but it's a boy. I don't know why they don't make girl cars, but only boys. Yeah, he can race. Yeah, okay. First, we got Road Trip Lightning McQueen. He has a number 95 with Lightning McQueen lightning on it, but they don't have Rusty's on it. It only says Raider Explains to on the road. Yep. There's no Rusty's, but I saw 95. Okay, let's spin them together. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video, and click like, subscribe, and channel of Logan and the Boys channel. I hope I can see you next time this episode. Okay, bye.